Good afternoon, Standard 9. In the previous videos, I was discussing about the chapter Linear Equation in Two Variables. In this chapter, we will see how to solve the simultaneous linear equation in two variables and how to find the value of unknown variable. Generally, that is defined as x and y. In this chapter, mm, there are in this chapter there are three methods are mentioned. Elimination by equating the coefficient of x or y, substitution by eliminating x or eliminating y, third cross multiplication method. One more method we will see, that is graphical method, that is discussed in another chapter, but in the same chapter we will discuss. So the first method I think you have already cleared, elimination by equating the coefficient of x or y. In the previous videos I was already discussed about the substitution method. Today I will solve some more problem by using the substitution method. Now you can see on the screen substitution method. The problem, these are the questions or problems from the exercise 6a. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 8, and the second equation is 2x is equal to 2 plus 3y. Now from equation 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 8, 2x is equal to 8 plus 3y, taking this side, minus 3y, x is equal to 8 minus 3y whole divided by 2. This is equation number 3. This is the value of what? X. Now substitute this value in equation number 2. Why we are substituting this value in equation number 2? Because this is derived from equation 1. So now substituting this value in equation 2, first we have to write the equation number 2. 2x is equal to 2 plus 3y. So 2 into x, 8 minus 3y whole divided by 2 is equal to 2 plus 3y. This 2 will be cancelled. 8 minus 3y is equal to 2 plus 3y. So 8, this plus 2 taking this side, minus 2 plus 3y, and minus 3y taking this side, plus 3y. So 3y plus 3y, that is 6y, and 8 minus 2, that is 6, and this 6 cancelled by 6, 6 ones are 6, y is equal to 1. And now substitute this value of y either in equation 1, 2 or 3. Now you can see on the right side of the page, putting the value of y in equation number 3, we get equation 3, that is there, x is equal to 8 minus 3y by 2, x is equal to 8 minus 3y by 2, 8 minus 3 into 1 whole divided by 2, 8, 3 ones are 3, 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 2, 5 divided by 2, that is 2 upon 1 by 2 or 2.5. Hence x is equal to 2.5 and y is equal to 1. Now see one more problem from the same exercise. Now this time the equation in the decimal form, 0.2x plus 0.1y is equal to 2.5. First try to change this decimal number as a whole number. So converting this decimal into whole, 2 by 10, 1 by 10 and 25. Each term, both the sides multiplied by 10, 10, 10, 10. This 10, 10 cancel, this 10, 10 cancel, and 25 into 10, 250. So 2x plus 1y is equal to 250. And the second equation, that is 2 into x minus 2 minus 1.6y is equal to 116. Now open the bracket, 2 into x, 2x, 2 2s are 4, that much. So 2x minus 1.6y, 116, minus 4 taking this side, plus 4. So 2x minus 1.6y is equal to 120. From equation 1, 2x plus y is equal to 250, y is equal to 250 minus 2x. Substituting this value of y in equation number 2, we get equation 2, that is 2x minus 1.6. Substitute this value, 250 minus 2x is equal to 120, 2x. So 1.6 multiplied by 250, 400, this minus minus plus, 1.6 into 2, that is 3.2x is equal to 120. So 2x plus 3.2x is equal to 120 minus 400 taking this side, plus 400. So 400 plus 120, that is 520, and add them 5.2x. X is equal to 520 by 5.2. Remove the decimal, take 1 0 in the above, and 52 ones are 52 and 2 0. X is equal to 100. Now substitute this value 100 either in equation 1, 2 or 3. Hence x is equal to 100. Now putting the value of x in equation number 3, we get equation 3 was y is equal to 250 minus 2x. 250 minus 2 into 100. 100 2s are 200 minus 250. 250 minus 200, that is 50. Hence x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 50. The next third one, 1.5x plus 0.1y is equal to 6.2. 3x minus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. This is the first equation. Remove the decimal, take 1 0 in the denominator, and each term both the sides multiplied by 10. 10 10 cancel, 10 10 cancel, 10 10 cancel. 15x plus y is equal to 62. Now 3x minus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. Remove the decimal, take zeros in the denominator, remove the decimal, take zeros. Each term both the sides multiplied by 10. 10 3s are 30x. This 10 10 cancel, minus 4y. This 10 10 cancel, 112. Now starts from equation 1. The equation 1 was 15x plus y is equal to 62. So y is equal to 62 plus 15 this side minus 15x. So this is the value of y. Now substitute this value of y in equation number 2. Substituting the value of y in equation number 2, we get the equation number 2 was 30x minus 4 into y. 62 minus 15x is equal to 112. 30x minus 4 into 62, that much, minus minus plus 4 into 15, 60x. So 30x plus 60x and 248 taking this side plus 248. So 30 plus 60, that is 90. 112 plus 248, that is 360. And this 360 divided by 90, 0 0 cancel, 9 4s are 36. Hence the value of x is equals to how much? 4. Now again putting the value of x in equation number 3, we get equation 3 was y is equal to 62 minus 15x. Y is equal to 62 minus 15x. 62 minus 15 into the value of x is 4. 15 4s are 60. So 62 minus 60, that is 2. Hence x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So today I have solved some questions from the exercise 6a. So try to finish the exercise 6a. In next class we will solve some more problems from the same exercise, especially the equation based on fractional. Today I have discussed the decimal based questions. So try to solve this type of questions, and before the exercise some examples are also there. This type of questions from example also you have to solve. In next class I will solve some more problem. Thank you very much for watching the video. All the best.